Let me check. Let me check. Okay, audio is working. I have 92 subscribers. Audio is working. I have 92 subscribers. The live chat didn't work last time, which is sad. Live chat didn't work last time for me, which is sad. But I just wanted. Wait, I'll start in a minute. So here, don't look at the mess. Here we have RP 5.12, which can be also seen right there, just barely. Yeah, 3D printing is not the most accurate text, but I think you can read that. And what I wanted to change is now the suspension geometry, because it definitely doesn't drive bad, but you can maybe also see the tire wear is also not equal, which results in just unequal wear, which is of course bad. And it's the cars I've used because I'm driving it a lot. Other than that, it drives well. The drivetrain is really strong, and yeah, it doesn't really break often anymore. But because of the weird driving handling, it's not very weird, but sometimes it could be better, and that's why I want to change it. So what I first want to tell you is the current suspension geometry. I should have learned the vocabulary, but never mind. So the rear wheels have negative camber, I'm not sure, which you can also see here. It's quite obvious. So the tires turn in like this on both sides, and in the front as well. Or does it? Actually, I don't know. I think so. I can later look in the program. So this is one. Then if we look at the top, we can see the rear wheels are turned in, which is good, but too dramatic, as well as this is too dramatic or too much. And the front wheels look out, which is good, but in this case also dramatic. And with the current suspension geometry, the wheels turn slightly in. I hope this is visible. And that's on purpose, so it just has a little bit more stability. Yeah, this should be relatively easy to see or spot. It also bottoms out, even though right now it's quite in high suspension mode, so not like the most race car, but rather like off-road. And what I want to change is making everything, I think, just less dramatic. I'm not sure. So I'll quickly hop on the Fusion 360 to change it. Not sure if I need the cam for later, but what I just want to do now is show you the model first. So here, well, can I joins? Sorry. Can't really show you the joins. Or I can, maybe, if I... Wait. Not sure if that's a good idea what I'm doing here. So here you can see the car. Right now it's rendering, so I'm basically torturing my computer. You don't see the zoom. You see my mouse, right? Yes, you do. This is also stupid. I always change it, like there's like a joint, but it always moves in the wrong direction. I don't know why. Fusion, please fix it, but every CAD software has some problems. And here you can also see it, that the front wheels actually, wait. Yeah, you see the joints. You should be done. First, they're skewed out, which you can see, and second of all, now it takes a little bit because I'm streaming. It has some camber in. I'm not sure if that's positive or negative. I'm actually going to search this up because it's important. Because I'm going to say this a lot. Yes, it's negative camber. Okay. Good. So we have negative camber on the front and rear, and as you can see here, toe in on the rear, toe out on the front, and some complex steering geometry in the front to make it like move in the case of the suspension going down. Can I show you? No, that's the wrong side anyways. It's kind of, how do you say, embarrassing. It should theoretically work, but there's some joint stuff. Maybe on the rear should work, but there's the clue gone. Yeah, you have to just believe me that there's steering geometry so the tires move in. So from toe out to toe in if the steering is compressed. You can already see here the toe out and the toe in is very traumatic. I definitely want to change that in the front and the rear. I'm not sure because it gives a lot of stability. But now another problem, if you brake a lot, of course most of the weight, or there's more force on the front wheels, which leads to the rear wheels getting less grip and the front more, which if you then turn in, for example, can I show you that? That must be possible. That was too much. Nothing wrong. Never mind, you have to believe me. If we now turn in this way, wait, I really want to show you. If I'm not the most professional. Here it works. That's RP 510 if you wonder. Here the steering geometry works. It's even older, but it works. So if we turn in, for example, right now, the these two outer wheels get more grip, and in the case of, let me turn it around, in the case of this, these get more grip, and because of the toe in and toe out, they basically straighten the car and kind of prevents it from turning, so that's like understeer. For just normal turning. And if we brake, of course, a lot of load transfer goes to the front, which leads to the front having more grip, which leads to the back sliding out. So like basically oversteer, but it's weird, just while braking. And while accelerating, the rear wheels have more grip. With the toe in, it stabilizes the whole system, so it tracks perfectly straight. But when you brake, it instantly spins out the rear. Sometimes that's really nice because you can easily drive super quickly and with super high stability. But in like corners, it's not terrible. But while braking, you just instantly lose the rear, which is of course not wanted most of the time. But another positive thing is you can like turn in a meter, or not meter, you can turn in the same spot, which is useful. So what I wanted to do now is change that. The first thing is I'm going to change the front, because that is way too dramatic. Front, already said it wrong. That is steering arm, steering arm, steering arm, steering arm. There it is. We have 47.4. Should I write that down? Yeah, I think I should. Why not? Doesn't hurt. Let me pull up my notes. Front steering arm was 47.4 millimeters, and I'm going to change it to, let's just 47.1. Let's just check how that looks, because I think that should work. Looks, at least. Not the joints in the perfect world, or not. I know what I'm talking. Not in turning thing, but please. Does that change anything? I don't know. Everything's red. That's always a bad idea. Some yellow. Oh no. Mina, what? Hey. That's why I don't like Fusion. No, this is embarrassing. But I want to know if that did change anything. Steering arm. Come on. Let's just make it dramatic with like 46. That's way too short, but just so I can look if it does something. So what I'm doing right now is just no. No, it doesn't do anything. I can actually check here. $41. It says minimum. And here. Wait. So now it's 47 again. And here it says 42. So it did change. Wait, am I an idiot? Let's just change it to 44. That's too dramatic. Why is it still so much to out? There's no way. Wait, let me look. Oh, there you can see. Yeah. This will definitely not work. Edit joint. Oh, look here, it perfectly works. If we animated the... Do I have limits? I do have limits. Actually, why not turn it off? Like, it doesn't help, I think. But I don't know. So I'm shortening. Yes. Yes. I got basically no more warnings. That's it. We don't have a real wheel, but I know that's also a fusion thing. Okay, interesting. Yeah, I'm shortening this, the steering arm, so the tires have toe in. Of course, not that dramatic. So I can turn off my camera. Because it takes a lot of energy. Yeah. So now I can do something more realistic. Like 40. Before we had 47.4, and now we change it to 40. I don't know if 47 is enough. I want some toe out, but not as dramatic. That looks very promising. What? That's still a lot to toe in. Now I have to... The problem again with the joint. Are you joking? Previous all motion limits for this joint at the same time. Even here, what? That should not be the case. That looks odd. No, yeah. I just thought I clicked something wrong. Wait, let me cancel that again. It's like debugging time. I love it. And just so you know, that's the time when I try to make a new model, like completely new model, like version 5.5, 5.7, 5.9, and so on. I've deleted some because of time and space. But then I want to make a new model so it's not as buggy. So it's on the side where there's no indicator. I have a small hole there. You can see it here. It's for just indication. What is that? That's not how it's supposed to be. Do I have... I'll just try to make the... Oh. Let me try that. I didn't even click anywhere specific. Fusion, what are you doing? Simple. Between two faces. Two edge intersection. No. No. I just want... What? In circle, why would you make it at the edge? I want the middle hole, like the right here. That makes no sense. Or am I a complete idiot? I've got this, yeah. I can't even select another. This will not work. This will not work. This is so buggy. It's not even funny. No, 3 warnings, 1 error. That is wonderful. That looks promising. I think. Yeah. And that is what length? Let me check. 47, so 0.4 millimeters shorter. Let's just test if that's better. And you have to test in the real world because I can't really simulate driving behavior in this. And now you can also see the skirt turning around for no reason. It's a protective skirt against dirt and stuff. So change that. Then oh, everything's skewed. Oh no, I don't like this. I thought this was a quick job, to be honest. Let's just go back. We don't need the second, I think, right now. No. I hope this works. I want to put it to the origin. Maybe, if I can. Point to point. I want to put it to the origin. What the heck? Maybe, if I can. Point to point. Oh, I think I know why. Wait. Oh, interesting. Interesting, okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. Well, not inconvenience, but that works. Target point. Selection origin point. Target point. The target point is the origin, buddy. Maybe I may point to point, point to position, point to point. Yeah, definitely point to position. Okay, maybe point. Selection, I want to move. Yeah, sure, this, why not? Then origin point is right. That's a line, that's not a point. Yes, sure, you didn't move at all. And it is it straight? Of course not. No, not X, Y, Z. That is quite important to check. Let's just use the main chassis, not the mod guards. I can't even select that? Oh, because it's probably like pinned. Properties? No. I think I know, but that would be so stupid. Yeah, there is one. Wait, let me just do it here. If that, because right there, pretty sure it's not pinned. Yes, I'm in. Now this from right here, I guess. Sure, if you want it. And to this. It's not straight at all, but you can fix that with another move. Can I? I don't think that's the correct. I'm not even fixing my problem right now. Why didn't it do that? I'm so confused. Align. Oh, that's a tool I always used. I'm now to the origin point. It's completely turned in some way, but I don't care. I think it's parallel and stuff. Oh. Wait. No. It's like worse than before. But that's definitely the correct tool. Oh. Yes. Oh, how wonderful it is. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now we're ready again. Sorry for that. That took longer than expected. So we changed that. Now we want to change the toe. Or the camber. Toe is something else. Camber in the front actually doesn't look too bad. In the real world model, actually also looks relatively fine. I think in the front, it's mostly fine. In the rear, definitely. Then, but how do I fix the brutal, like, turn from the rear? Yeah, less camber. I think this, I'm not sure if that's the way to do it, to check. Like angle right here. It's definitely not the way to do it. is that is centered. Oh yeah, it moves mostly back. But I want to know. Can I know all the angle maybe in X, Y, Z? I definitely had a trick once to do that. I don't remember exactly what. I think I was just making a sketch, then projecting that or something. But that's not a... Can get a rough idea if you look at that to that. Angle, no, that's a lie. I don't believe you, because if I make this horizontal, it actually even says you don't like it. Hello. They're parallel? What? Oh yeah, because it has a constraint. That makes sense. .1 degrees. That's not a lot. That's not a lot. Could it also be from turning? What did I even project there? I think some of the bearing switches. I think correct. So finish sketch. Delete sketch. I need it. So 0.1 degrees in the front, that's, and negative. That's actually not that much, but decent. Why not? And then in the rear we have a lot more. Oh gee. Actually we don't have that much, but a little bit. I'm also just going to front. I just noted that down, then make another sketch right here. But there isn't, there must be a better way. There must also be like some, make the line as long as possible. Because like this, of course, you lose a lot of accuracy. Oh. Just made it parallel. And now we can check. This is 0.7. That is not that much as well. But I'm definitely going to reduce that. Or 0.68 roughly. Yeah. And yeah, that's actually not that much. I'm just going to change, or not change, I'm going to check, so just so the proportions are good and the drive shafts don't bind up. but I don't need to change that much, which is good, of course. So that means I don't have to change that much, which is very good. Then in the rear, in this case, I'm going to change the lower arm and make it a little bit shorter. Uh, 9.7 millimeters. Let's just check if that gets any problems. It shouldn't, but you never know. 3 warnings. Could be worse, you know. And of course, it depends. If we move up, you can see the angle changes, which is not bad, but you have to know it. The question is now, did this work? Project. I know this is not the way you should do it, but that's just the way I'm going to do it because it works. Because it works. And now we have 0.5. 0.5 millimeter, no, 0.5 degrees. That's definitely better. And we're quite low anyways. And there you can see this 0.1 millimeter made such a big difference. Yeah. So we changed the front, rear. Now we can change the front toe in or toe out a little bit. And should I fix this? It is quite drastic. If we look again. Wait. I don't know what the warning is right there. And to the mudguard, yeah, okay, the mudguard is scuffed anyways. This is quite dramatic. It's like 1 degree for each tire, which if I look right here, it looks pretty much. It looks too much. I'm going to change that. Rear again, rear. No, wheel hub, yeah. And I change this with this. -2 degrees actually. Okay. We're going to change it to 0.8 or 0.7. Just guessing, basically. A lot of warnings again, but okay. How was it before? Is this better? Can also check here with my wonderful technique. Wait, this is not attached to that. Oh, here you can see we also have toe, not toe, the caster, and we have to look from here. My boss will kill me if he sees this. Because it's not precise and everything. Come on. 1.7, exactly. Look, it's perfectly precise. I told you. Hello, hello, hello. What I would say is still a lot of toe. So I'm going to reduce that to even less. So 0.5. Wait, 1.5. Negative. It's toe in, that's how it's called. That looks pretty good. That looks almost not enough. Let's just be 0.6. Yep. Still a lot. A lot. But this also makes some of the stability of the car, which makes it possible to drive like 40 kilometers very easily and not lose control. This looks pretty good. Maybe front I'm going to change it even more. And now this looks fine again. Weird. But the problem is, yeah, like I already told you. Oh, now it works. What a wonderful. I told you I'm not a scammer. That if we move this up and of course steer in the center, we also have completely different wheel geometry now. It has a lot of negative caster and in this case also more toe in, but that's all on purpose. Yeah. I would say let's just fix the mudguard because that bugs me. That is not how it's supposed to be. Oh, the sketches somehow. Oh, what happened? Well, before something was like broken, I guess. So it doesn't work now. Oh, it could be a joint again. Joints are terrible. They really are. Yeah. Look, now I'm going to change it to positive 90 again. And now these problems go away. Mostly. What's your problem? 8mm, you don't like it. Is it just not possible, or? I mean, it works. That's what counts. And there we have a beautiful car again. Man, I love Fusion. It's so easy to use. It makes so much sense. Wow. I'm just showing every profile. I'm sorry, I can't really turn off the joints. Oh, kind of. Yeah. So, I would say I'm finished with today. Look, I don't even have that much some rounding errors. Where? Show me. Oh, from the front. Sure, why not? It doesn't show you what to change, that's like the problem. But I'll believe it. I guess. I should not trust it. Oh no. Yeah, okay, joints are always a problem. Yeah. That's all what RP takes right here. Not that much, but it must be precise to get it working. So I would say thank you for watching. I hope you liked it, and I would say see you soon, and maybe some more footage on Instagram from the car, from all of its problems, or not problems, but like crashes and stuff. And you can see all of the modeled ESC parts, electronics, receiver motor, gearbox. Yes, I can sectional analysis in the render room, but it doesn't work. Sure. Yep. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.